Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all?
Walaikum
Fine. How
assalam.
about you?
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. I am Tasmia Sharif. I am the CEO of our company Software Surf Zone. So I will let you know here who is what. So first coming to Nabil Raihan, he is the marketer of our company, executive director of marketing sector. And then coming to the next, Shahriar Shomik, he is the technician. Then Hassan Aditya is the executive director of finance. And Azira Mehdi Putri is the secretary of our company. So, guys, let's begin. We have discussed mm, the last video. We had a discussion in our last session, but this is our new session. So we need to come up with our solutions and the feedbacks. What do you think?
Who will start
Yeah,
with
we
the
already
marketing
got
or the
some
sales?
feedbacks from the people. As we talked before, that we will spread out our software among our friends and family. They gave us some feedbacks. Sharia Shami, can you name them?
I didn't get. What did you say?
Can you give us the can you show us the feedbacks? What our
Oh,
friends
I
and
think
family
Nabil
gave?
Ryan should show the feedbacks.
Okay, I will
Yes,
show.
guys.
Okay, let me share my screen. Guys, this is the feedback from a lot of people, a lot of friends, family member.
We can see.
Cannot see.
No,
I
I
can.
No,
cannot see.
I can see.
My internet is poor, I guess, and the connection is poor.
Sharia Shomik.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, this is a lot of people, and just a second.
Okay, I think you have to explain every explanation, and after reading the explanation and their suggestion, we can idea that what we need to change in our software.
I think you should go to the page for comments. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one. Any suggestion or comments from our family member or friends?
Okay, mention the names and their comments.
Okay. There is no name. The all comments. There is no name.
It's just a random comments.
Comments. It's a
You can
random
read it.
comment. You can read it.
Okay.
Someone told it's a great invention. In future, it will save many valuable life. Or someone you can add a chip with airbag and add uh, airbag will
Yeah,
hit
but
people only when in an accident. So it is ensured that an accident happened. Someone said content
we
was
should
good.
talk about this comment. It's
Yeah,
actually
yeah. This
relevant.
comment, the relevant comment. Yeah, I think we have
So
to discuss.
he or she is talking about an airbag. I think airbag is a different feature from our software because it's already been used for 4 to 5 years before. We can add this also, but it will increase our
No,
cost.
no, no, no. I think it's a great idea because when a car got accident, the first the car will blow the airbag. So the car knows that the accident happened. Then the chip can, the if the chip is connected to the airbag, then the chip can notify to the police station and the emergency services to give them or provide them help. So it's I think it's a great idea. I know it's a old school, but still it's useful nowadays also.
I was talking about not it's not being old school. It's already in the most of the cars. It's
It's
not
a
under our
mandatory.
software.
Airbags are mandatory. Airbags are
Yeah,
mandatory
that's
in
why we
cars.
don't need to discuss about this because it's mandatory. You need to add this one.
No, no, no. I'm talking about if the chip is connected to airbag, there will no needed to another GPS or another extra feature. It will be easier for for the software or for
Yes,
the
our
help.
software will be installed in the car. It can be in the airbags or in the uh, gear system or braking
So
system. It
so,
can be
so how
anywhere.
so how
So
will
the
the
person
software
suggested
notify
us
the police
to
station?
attach the chip with the airbag. That's all.
No, I'm talking how will the police station will know that the car got an accident? How? The
Uh,
airbag can let them know.
yeah, yeah. Not only airbag. It can be
What
used
if
in the brakes.
if you tell me that there will be a switch or there will be an option in your phone to let anyone else that we got an accident, but what if the passenger is not able to do it or the
Yeah,
passenger got
it's
no
not
sense?
about the passenger. The passenger can be very hard that he cannot connect with the people. So it's like a sensor. So if anything happens to the car, it will automatically do its job and connect with the necessary people.
Sensor.
It's not
But
about
look, Mr. Technician Man, the sensor is more expensive, I think.
Yep. But in
It
airbag,
we don't have enough budget. I think. But the technical part is all yours. If you can afford, if you can manage it, then it's fine.
no. I don't think the sensor is that much expensive. But if you use this chip in the airbag, so airbag actually what a small accident it can show up in a small accidents. If there is no need to connect with the policeman or medical, then it will be disturbing for them. Airbag
Okay,
comes
I
out
have a
with a small
question.
accident, so it cannot detect if the accident is terrible or just a common accident. It can't detect. If you use the sensor, then it can detect the damage what happened to the car. So then he can connect with the policeman or the medical team.
Hmm. Okay, moving forward, we'll look after it later.
Okay,
Okay.
I have a question too. The airbag system. So we are planning the software. We should put the software under airbag or what?
No, I don't think so. I don't support putting the chip in the airbag. I think it
Okay.
should be like a sensor that can detect how much harm the vehicle got from the accident. Then it will connect with the people. If we use in the airbag, then if you just touch anything, it will come up. Then the policeman will got the notification. Then if they
If
come, they don't
if the
see
passenger will if the passenger
anything
is not
serious, then it
able
will be
to
disturbing.
if the passenger is not able to touch it,
No, I didn't get.
if the passenger is not able to touch the sensor or
No, no, no. It sensor is not needed to touch. They don't need a sensor will automatically detect, like our fingerprint or something, or our camera, like Google. Now there's a features you can call your device by naming that. You can say, "Hey Google," it will turn on like this. I told, "Hey Google," and it's turning on. So
look,
it's like that.
I have a suggestion. Like we're making the software for the worst cases of accidental.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah, so the accidents are severe and major. Sorry, the
yeah.
accidents are major. So the passengers will not be able to do any work in that time.
So it's a
So
different
they
situation.
don't have anything at that time. So it will be all the passenger will be dependent on the software or the sensor that time.
No, it will work when the passenger, I think, get senseless or get too much harmed. Then it will work. If you like about the airbag, if you hit the car, uh, you are driving in slow speed, but if you hit a pole, like current electricity pole, then the airbag will come up. It's not necessary because you didn't get that much harm that you cannot even connect to the policeman or the medical team. It's not necessary. You can't call the
I see.
medical team or the policeman for a little accident or some crashes like in a pole. So you can connect. It will be disturbing for them. It is for an emergency situation. It is for an emergency situation when the driver or the passengers or cannot connect to the policeman or the medical team by herself.
Okay, we'll take care of the feedback. Can we move forward?
Okay, let's go to the next. So we can see in the comments that they are supporting us. Content was good, good initiative, nice
Uh,
idea.
it's written that it is informative. So who the comment writer didn't use the software. He got the marketing part or he got the advertisement, but he or she didn't use it. If she or he did use, he won't write that it was very informative. So he got or she got an information.
Yeah, he or
So
she
so
didn't
it's
use the.
clearly so it's clearly shown that enough people are not aware or enough people are not using our software.
They just got knowledge from this
Yeah,
Yeah, they
survey.
just known to this
they
project,
they just
but they
got
didn't know how to use it
they
also.
physically didn't use it.
So our marketing should be strong.
Yeah, so it's shown that our marketing is going good. The
So
alert system will be helpful for us.
And this is the really great.
Nabil, can you show us the statistic of the survey? I think it's above.
Yep. Okay. The gender one and the country people. All of this from Bangladesh.
So we are
Which
getting more interesting in the Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, all of them are Bangladesh. Oh, actually, it's not an international project. Ah, can you go down a little?
Okay.
males have replied most. The percentage is 66.7%, and the female rate is 33.3%.
33.3.
Yes.
So females are not that much interested. Maybe
No,
they
no, no,
are
no, no,
not
no, no,
connected
no,
with
no. I,
cars.
I don't think they're not interested because mostly cars are driven by the men. There are hardly
Yeah,
seen female drivers or
that is why
female.
I'm saying that they are not that much giving opinions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because they are not used to with it or they can't feel it.
Hmm. But I think if they watch the advertisement what we will create after this, then they can have an idea, because the oils people using here, how come they know that? They have advertised the oils name and others. After that, women had realized that they can use all the oils in their hair. So I think advertisement will increase the number mostly.
Nabilan, can you move up more, more, more,
Move
more,
up
more,
or
more,
down.
more, more, more? Yeah, wait here. Uh, as we know, they are mostly male. They are mostly male, and yeah, they are mostly male. Yeah, they're mostly male. Yeah, the survey is fine.
Okay, I'm
But
done.
So Nabil, you can
We
stop sharing.
no
We
no no
should
no no.
discuss about the marketing.
We haven't explained the whole survey, right? We need to discuss it about more time. We need to take more time.
okay, let me tell you one thing. I talked with one of my closest friend. Yeah, he is working in a company from Japan. Car company, and I asked him to use our software. He suggested us to talk with the government first if we get enough feedback. Did we get enough feedback to talk with the government?
Yes, in the last video, we have talked about the government process that we need to talk with them
No, no.
by
We talked about
applying.
if we get enough feedback. Did we get enough feedback? You guys think?
I think we need more feedbacks because still now it's less comments. We need to get more comments and opinions as well.
But they are all positive comments.
Nabil, you can stop presenting.
Yeah. From the survey, what I have noticed that all of the people were from Bangladesh. But if we get some international comments and others, then we will able to know their thoughts also.
Mm, as we are from our same university from Malaysia, we can talk with our Malaysian friends and let them know.
Yeah, maybe you are right. And also the
Mm,
professors and
yeah, our
doctors,
professors.
lecturers. After
But
that,
as we got our some of our investors, we can stop our advertisement inside the app because we are not now a beginner right now. We crossed our beginning part.
I totally agree with you.
Nabil, can you share the logo I created for our apps?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that also. Because the logo need to be interesting to attract others.
This is our
So this is our
logo.
logo. What do you guys think about that?
I
What is the
think we can
name?
set an alarm.
We have to add our company name out there.
No,
Okay.
Yeah,
company
yes.
name will be in the description, not in the logo of the app.
Look,
No, no.
there are so many random posters in Google. If someone tells that, if someone no one will tell, but it looks like common. If you write down the company name over there, it will be our property or our content. This looks like a random content.
Actually, every official work have to has our logo. No, have to have our company name because we are doing it. People should know that we are doing it first time.
So we need to add our company's name, software.
Maybe
Where we
maybe
should to
in the
add our
left.
logo? In there or there?
In right
Actually,
and
you need to just write our name, company name. You have created a logo. Just input the name.
if someone steals it from you and use it to their page or their company, you can't do anything because you don't have any you don't have any writings or remarks in the poster.
Okay. Yeah, I will spread the name of our company in here. Is it okay? In here or in the left button?
It's up to you.
When
You
you
can
will
even
do this,
Yeah.
what will suit? When you will do this, what will suit? You just select that.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that.
So, is there any update of the website?
No,
Website.
No, I guess you have worked, right? So,
no.
I think
But I have to buy
it
the
has
domain and
updated.
hosted. Domain and the host. I have to buy.
Okay, okay.
Uh, will it be inside our budget or outside of our budget? Do we need to extend our budget?
I think
Nabil, please stop sharing. It looks bad.
Sorry,
No, no, you can talk.
Nabil. Do we need to extend our budget?
I think because
Because as
because
yeah,
the domain and host is most costly for our most costly. We have to increase
but
our budget.
we didn't get yet our expected investment money. How can we extend our budget for the domain?
So is there any possible to make our software to little bit budget?
The
More
technician man
cheaper.
The
will look
technician
after
man?
it.
I think the CEO should talk about the progress of the last meeting. What should we do and what did happen? We just talked
Okay.
about the survey.
Yeah, actually, what I got from the survey is everyone is taking our progress positively. And what Aditya already said that men replied more than women. So we need to focus now on women because men will be always interested because they drive car, they have knowledge about this system, but girls maybe not aware of this kind. So um, we need to inform them also, then we can get more feedbacks and we can uh, work on that. Also, I have talked with some companies who are interested to buy, but because of the budget comes more and more times. Every time when I talk about our project with anyone, he just feel confused about the budget. So I also don't know what to do, but I think if it is possible for the technician to less some
Mission
cost,
Bhagwan.
that that will be very helpful for us because don't you guys think this budget is really very high? A small company cannot afford it. Yes, we can hire a big company, but we are not also that much big to hire a big company. We
Did
don't have that experience. They cannot trust us that our project will work. People will buy our software. Most of them will be interested. They are not unsure about anything, so they are not feeling us trusted. So why they will use their
that's it.
valuable money on us, right? So first of all, I think we need to come up with their trust first, as we
Did
are.
any
Mhm.
did any of the companies contact with you?
Yeah, what I have said before, that I have no companies tried to locate me. Actually, I wanted to talk with them because we are making the project, we have to brand it. So I talked with some Malaysian companies and some Indonesian companies. Their opinion is the budget is too high, and lastly they said that it's an innovative idea, but they are not feeling trusted to
Invest.
be connected with us. Yeah.
You got any
So I
offers?
think what yeah I have got offers, but maybe
Not
we
enough, I
cannot,
think.
not enough. Yeah, they will not give you this much budget to execute the whole plan. So
What if we low down our expected invested money? What if we.
Actually, from the last meeting session, what I have heard from you, that people wanted to, companies wanted to give you at least 1.5 billion, right? Billion or
Yes, yes.
so maybe if we just can less the amount to
Thank you.
1.5, maybe it will work out. Is it possible to lower the cost
Mm,
if we use airbags or something else that can
we can
just
start.
ease
I
the
think I
cost?
think we should try for the promotion part because it's it's not about the budget actually. If we promote our product so briefly, so companies will try to contact with us. We don't want to select one company for that much budget. We can select tons of companies like 50 or 60 companies. So if they try to invest, then it will be, I think, enough. Just focus on
Yeah,
the
and
promotion.
I 100% agree with the technician because promoting is very important. What I have said before, women are not aware of the project, so we need to take this project to them. We need to take forward this project. Like everyone should know our effort, our feedbacks, everything. So for this, we need to have a better marketing.
Okay.
Do our secretary have anything to suggest?
Have you anything to suggest, Azira?
Just need more feedback, I think.
More feedbacks. Okay.
So, what is the
One more
procedure?
thing that I understand.
Yep. Tell me.
Okay. No, no. You can tell.
So, how we increase our marketing to women? We increase a lot of
Actually,
marketing, but not we cannot reach the women. So how is there any idea from our women from CEO and the secretary? How can we increase our marketing in women?
actually, what I think women thinks what is in front of them is the best. So we need to we need to take our project in front of their eyes. It's not only about imagine. They are only trying to guess the idea, but they are not seeing it in real life. So I think
Can we
we
give
should.
our demo?
Yeah, I was saying about that we need to create a demo for that.
Okay, I will show a demo. Wait. This is the chip. This is the main chip we install in car.
With the sensor.
Yeah, with the sensor, with the sensor.
Oh, guys, I want to show you something. about the investors. How can we make the investors interested to work with us? Potential investor.
So basically, you were able to assemble some sort of a team. The team was able to build some sort of a beta of the product. You have some users using the beta, and now you want to leverage this in order to raise money. Now, is that correct? Did I get it right, Vadim?
Yeah, you nailed it.
Okay. So, assuming that you've done all the things you've heard about on the show, like have a world-class domain name, .co, not a bad choice. You have world-class design and a logo that's, top shelf, great UX, good user interface. No excuse not to have those things in today's.
So he is talking about the logo and marketing and the investor products as we are talking.
Okay, 1 minute should
day and
be
age?
before. 1 minute, just pause it. Everyone, can you please mute the mic because every sound is coming back. Have you got my point? When the video is running, the sounds are coming back.
And Nabil, can you mute your mic, please?
Oh, okay, let's proceed.
One person working at home can have a great domain name, great logo, and great UX. So you have to have it. If you have great traction with a small number of people and you can show some variable or metric where people are addicted to it. So look, Messenger, and we've got 100 people using it, and these 8 people are creating, on average, 3 challenges a week. If 8% of the people in the system create challenges and they do, even just 1 a week, or they do just 10 a year, we're going to have so many challenges for those other people to do. It's going to be incredible, and it's going to inspire this kind of traction and viral loop. So you could sell that, the data that the early users are using, the beta. You can sell technological achievement, like here's our competitor, and look at all the things we have that they don't. And we've done this more with less, and if we had a little bit of money, we'd go even faster. Or 3.
So I want to say something. He is actually talking about to compare our products with other companies. We can compare our products and why our software is better than the others. We can talk about this and share with the people. What do you guys think?
Which type of products should
And so when a product is released, like let's say Mahalo,
So he is talking about the performance of the promise. What we are doing in design thinking, we are promising people that this software will help you in that way, in that way. So when we will get our investment, we will physically do the thing. He's talking about that. So we need to just promise to the people that our product can do this to convince them to invest for us.
if I were to raise a C round from Mahalo, I would be pitching people on primarily performance. Hey, we had 20 million people watch our videos on YouTube. We had 12 million uniques coming to Mahalo, and we have these features, and we're number 160 or 70 in Quantcast performance, performance, performance. But then I might add a little bit of promise at the end, a little sprinkle of the pixie dust, and say Mahalo 4.0 is coming out January 23rd at the DLD conference. Let me show you all these advanced features, world class. Look how it looks on an iPad, and look at this system for people creating pages and how beautiful and easy it is. We've taken page creation down 5x. That's the combination I like. Promise, performance, 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 promise. Other people will do promise, 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 but without performance, it might ring a little hollow. Tyler, what do you vote? What would you do? You got your beta, you got your team. You want to maybe get a little cash in the bank.
I think you have to create some element of wow, and that can be from the user side, or somehow, depends on if the investors themselves are potential customers or not. I mean, in half the cases they may be, in half the cases they may not be.
Or their spouses,
right. Oh, that's actually very good.
or a family member, like a
Right.
child.
So they have somebody that they're related to.
Somebody in their orbit
Right.
loves it.
Exactly. So I think that isn't also an easy way because then it becomes personal. Even if it's not, they're not your target
Yeah.
user. Somebody in their inner circle is, and you've managed to get that person excited about it.
Yeah, and I think that wow factor is a great addition to what I said. So you got performance
Yeah.
and promise for me, but you also have the wow from Tyler. And I would not discount what Tyler's saying about wow. I've seen people, I've invested based on wow.
Yep.
I've seen people invest on wow. I've seen people invest on wow more than performance, to be totally honest.
Yep.
You've been watching this week.
That's all from the video. So what did you guys understood from the video? Please share this. You guys can share your opinion on the video.
Okay, actually, in the video, what Shahriar Shomik has said before, that we need to compare the product with the other products, mainly softwares to other softwares. So we can do that, but I think we need to we need to go through the client testimonial, because clients will give feedback more than general peoples. They know about software and they know about the process, they know how to deal with software dealers. So I think we should go with our project to the client testimonials. So mostly we need to get a touch of clients. What do you think about this?
We can't get clients enough if we can't get our investment, because we have to get enough is investment to make our software first. If we can't have our software first, we cannot have clients. First our software, then our clients.
Okay, but what we had decided before, that we will give to use to some clients the demos.
But it's a demo, it's not a full form of the software. There will be less features. There will be like 10% of the features.
So we can inform them that we don't have the big budget to complete the whole software, so we have just put the less features. Just go with it
We
and
should
just test it.
attach the main features with the software first, like the alarming system. Then we can make, because it's a dynamic software, you can add more features later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will show the okay. I will show the poster. I'll show the poster of our. This is the main poster in short. In short.
Can you describe it?
I think
It's talking
technical.
about the chipboard and the sensor.
Yeah.
It will work on Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G, connecting to hospital and hospital.
Okay, I can give a suggestion here, because as you have created a poster,
Yeah.
so this poster contains a lot of information, but we need to find the keywords. What should be written on bold words and bigger size of letter. So these posters can be read, but the writings are so small. So you just find the keywords and try to make them big, so that people, without reading, people can understand what the poster is about.
Okay. So,
Because the pictures attract the most.
okay, so this another one. Is it okay? Or this one?
I think the previous one is easier to understand.
This previous one.
This one
This
is
one.
confusing. uh, no, he has said
Second one.
about the last one.
This one.
Ah, no.
No, before this.
This one.
Yeah, it
Okay.
is more clear than any other, but only by pictures you cannot make a poster. It's a picture only, right?
No,
So
no,
you
it's
have to.
just a demo. We need to
Just a
discuss it
demo.
and then make a poster. It's not the
Yeah,
final
so when we will discuss about our project in this, we need to fix some keywords. I was saying just.
keywords and abstract and all this.
Hmm.
Pictures.
Okay. Can technician help me about the this?
Yeah, we will discuss this about later.
Okay.
Okay. Secondly, what I got from ideas, that is create animated infographics. So we have already created animated videos,
Yeah,
but
the accident one.
yeah, we can use more graphics knowledge on it, and maybe it can be better from now. Graphics also attract children's, right? They also play games because of the graphic designers.
Okay.
What I
So
am trying to say is we need to make.
hello. CEO.
I have another suggestion. We can. I think she's missed.
Yep. I think she is getting
Let her come
problem
back.
with network.
Let her come back. Let's just wait for a minute.
What you get
So,
from another one? Another feedback? What?
so there is no bug in our software, right?
I think not.
Because
Technician.
if we get one, we could have got it from the feedbacks that there is a bug.
Yes, technician can help this.
I think we'll let the CEO come first.
Okay, wait for him. Wait for her.
Alright. Yeah.
কতক্ষণ আছে? 10।
Bish.
ওরে
Okay, technician will try to contact our CEO. Yeah, what
She
happened?
lost the internet. I'm trying to call her.
Yeah, we will wait for her.
She is not picking it up. Guys, I think she has a big problem with the internet. We should continue.
Okay,
I
technician, I
want to
have a
show you
question.
some. I want to share an idea.
Technician, I have a question. Is our
Yeah.
software is only for car or bike?
No, it's for all the vehicles. You can use it in the car or bicycle. Not cycle. I mean motorbikes and buses. You can use it
Okay,
because it's a small installation. It doesn't matter.
okay,
So
okay.
I have an idea about the marketing. As if we don't, if we are not able to show our project in real life, we can use augmented reality. Do you guys know about augmented reality?
No, augmented reality.
I should share you a video about that.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Wait a minute.
Okay, I think our CEO just joined our meeting.
Yes, sorry guys. Actually, I had a very bad network connection right
No
now.
problem, no
No
problem.
problem.
So I was talking about augmented reality. I want to share a video about that. It's for our marketing purpose. As we cannot show our product physically right now because we don't have any investors. We can use augmented reality to show our product how it works more effectively.
Okay.
Let me share a video. Wait a minute. Actually, one of our lecturer, Dr. Aliza, made an video about that. I'm trying to find that one.
Okay, we will wait for you.
She did a project about augmented reality. Where is the video? Sorry for the delay. Wait a minute. Oh, my laptop is not working properly. Wait. I'm not getting the video for doctor. Let's see another one. Change screen. This is the visual representation. By using augmented reality, we can make a pattern like this, and if you open the camera, and we can see like it's really in physically we can see that. The internet is so slow. Did you guys watch the whole video?
Yeah, so this is one hell of a kind of demo, right?
Yeah, we can use this augmented reality and program our video, and we can show.
We have to make it, right?
Yeah,
So this is all. Can I talked with one of our investor yesterday, and he asked to give some demos. Can you do the demo within 2 days so I can ensure him that I will give him the demo to
yeah, I
the day
can.
after tomorrow?
Obviously, I can. Yeah, I can.
Then I will have a word with him. I think it will work. I think because he's much interested to invest in our software.
It's just to make the promotion interest.
Yeah, you gave me some
Have
demos,
to
and
say
then
something.
I can talk with him.
So, what's our final decision then? What should we do? Let's
I
give it
we
a
cannot from as executive manager of finance. I cannot allow to sell our software below $2 billion. I can't.
your opinion. Nabilehan, what is your say about this?
Okay, I will give a suggestion. If you do like that, I think it better.
Like what?
I'll give. Wait, give a minute. Like if you made a car like this and install our software,
We
I
can
think
we can see your screen. What are you trying to share?
okay, wait. Let me arrange. Now you can see.
Yeah, no.
Acha, I will tell if you make a video, if you make a car like this, like a mini car, and install our software in this car, I think it's look like a physical one. It is possible to make a car like this and install our software to make our demo video. to convince to our client or our investor? Is it possible?
I think so. That's a good idea also.
Technician, if you want to do that, do like this car and install the software, I think it's
We
better.
already made a car in the prototype. We
Yeah,
can use that
prototype.
one.
Yeah, okay. We can use like the cardboard, or we can use like this one.
It will be effective. So I think the CEO should decide the final
CEO, yes.
task. What should we do for the promotion and the marketing and so on.
Okay, for the marketing sector, what I have said before, I will say it again that we need to do better posters and better advertisement. But for the technical part, what we need to do, what Raihan just showed, we can just make a demo like that. Because if we can't execute it as real, but we can make a demo to just show people that what we want to say them, what we want to show them.
Yeah.
And about Aditya, what he said, inshallah, let us hope that he may get successful with these clients, because from a very long time we are just trying to deal with clients. So if he is successful, then our project will raise up one more steps.
If technician make the video like the physical one, I think it should better to marketing. I think it better.
Yeah, and for the video advertisement, what I have said, you can just make an animated video like the before one, but not as same as the previous one. It should be new.
Okay, I'll try. I'll try.
And I will try to
First
contact
of all,
more clients, with more clients and politicians of our country, and with other country also. Maybe if Aditya is successful on to handle this client, then we
Yeah,
can get more projects.
I'm talking with them also.
so last
Yeah.
of all, I think we should talk about our progress from last meeting.
Yes.
So I think we did our we showed our project to everyone and did a survey and tried to talk with the investors. And congratulations to all that some of the investors are trying to show their interest to other
Yeah.
our project. That's a good news for us.
Yeah.
So we discussed in the meeting that how can we improve our progress more and be success. Uh, that's all I
Our
think.
feedbacks are good.
Yeah.
We have to
All,
know.
Yeah,
all
We have
we are
to.
getting
Our feedbacks are
as a
positive.
startup. As a startup, we are getting more than enough.
Yeah, and also the feedbacks are positive.
Yeah,
They
it's
are
all
standing
positive.
by us.
Yes, yes.
Maybe we will try to look after the cost, but I think the idea and the processing progress is more than enough. Because in 1 week we just can't build everything.
yeah, the poster one, the website one, the
Yeah, we
demo
have
video
gave
one.
enough.
So what should we do now? So I think
Okay, so
Shomik,
I
your
think
mic
every
is on.
yeah, that's
So I
not
was
the
talking about
impact.
that we should end our meeting for today.
Yeah.
I think we should try to improve our progress.
We'll
Yes.
talk with
So and we
uh,
did well, I think,
next month.
from the last meeting.
Yeah, maybe we will talk on in next
Next
month or
next.
something, a next date.
Okay.
But
Let's do our
Shomik,
we should
usual
keep
Shomik,
talk.
you give me
progressing.
the demo within 2 days. Okay,
Okay, okay,
please.
no problem.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we
Then give
should.
it to
So
me,
let's
and
go
I
for
will
the
I will
further
give it to
execution.
social media on, or give it to our friend and family member.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, try your
Okay,
Okay.
best.
Bye.
Hope for the best. Inshallah, we will
Yeah.
be
Take care.
successful in the end. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
take care.
maybe we will meet very soon.
Assalamu alaikum
Inshallah.
everyone.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Assalamu
Hafiz.
alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.